If you're looking to hire more tech talent, you're looking for the best software engineers, and you know how hard it is in the current market, then you know that a great sourcing tool might come in handy. Amazing Hiring might just be that for you. It's a search engine that allows you to source for candidates on over 50 different platforms, find the top tech talent in one place, reach out to them faster than your competition, and get those hires when you need them. You can easily keep your existing workflow by creating a project or creating a search straight away. We have inbuilt all of the synonyms and everything that you might need to make your search as fast as possible to not miss out on any talent. The platform aggregates data globally, so you can easily have access to candidates from all over the world. If you need, you can easily cross-reference the information. You can easily find the consolidated profiles and rank them by how good the candidates actually are within a specific technical stack. You can find them based on their GitHub commits or Stack Overflow answers. If you're looking for those data scientists or data engineers, Kaggle would come in handy, and Google Play will work very well for your Android developers. The filtering is great to get you down to those very precise results, so you don't need to work with thousands of profiles. The platform is specialized in tech, which means it will only look at technical years of experience, so you don't need to screen candidates for hours and hours. It has an inbuilt filtering on all of the criteria that you are used to using already. Some of them might be new to you. If you want to understand the market, the platform will provide you with talent analytics, so you can build your own searches, you can build your own analysis based on different companies or locations. You can easily uncover hidden stars or target those diversity candidates if you need to, and then easily save and export those reports by downloading them and sharing them with your team. The sourcing part itself is really great if you want to easily look at the candidates' data outside of the standard platforms. We index data globally and help you pre-assess candidates, giving them medals from different platforms. The Amazing Hiring platform only works with publicly available data, so all of the information is transparent and you can easily find where the candidates have provided themselves. To make sure that you can also pre-screen them quickly, you can always check out the recent experience, get a little bit more data. If you know the candidate is suitable, you can easily pipeline them into your projects. The platform works collaboratively, so all of the projects, we call them folders, will work for your whole team. You can create a project and share it with your hiring managers, other recruiters, and choose how you track candidates in statuses based on your own workflow. The folders are your eventual talent pool. The talent pool in the platform works based on all these different sources. So it's basically you doing your outreach, doing your sourcing on LinkedIn or GitHub, Stack Overflow, and pulling it all together into one place. Because the platform automates all of the parts of the workflow, it can also help you automate your outreach. We index data from different sources, including some local ones in different countries, like Xing for Germany or Golden Line for Poland. And those details can be then used in your outreach. So when you look at all these links, you can easily cross-reference the data. You can go directly to those sources. You can open the information, find something unique you want to use in your outreach, and add that, for example, in the comments. Our plugin will help you align everything across those networks and across your team to make sure you're not reaching out to the same candidates multiple times and saving time on doing the most important part. When we create the outreach campaign, can also use shared templates, or we can also use the ideas of our colleagues. We can add any files, pictures, anything you want to make it as catchy as possible. But the best part, you can personalize it directly with the information that we find in the candidate's profile. So you can use custom variables that you can create yourself. The best part, however, is the automation of the pesky follow-ups that none of us actually have time to do. We gave you some ideas in our generic templates, so you can create your own ones. And this can help you get better response rates, because what response rates are the reason why we're getting more candidates into the pipelines. The personalization is super easy. All you need to do is just check that all the variables are correct and launch your campaign. The platform automatically tracks your open and response rate and allows you to share that information with your team if needed. As with any workflow on the sourcing tool, because we're using all of the information in one place, we can easily export all of that from one place as well. You can use the CSV part export, or you can use any of our integrations and connect your applicant tracking system, whichever one you use, to the system to make sure that everything in AmazingHiring is aligned with your existing applicant tracking system and everyone that you've reached out to. You can easily use our data enrichment feature, which will allow you to input the candidates data that you already have, map it across all of the data that we have in AmazingHiring with other candidates, and you will easily have that accessible in the folders. So in that sense, you will have both your applicant tracking system and AmazingHiring in one place. And then if you can connect the two, you have a great workflow that can help you keep track of all of the information and obviously keep track of all of the data. With our customizable stats, you can get down to all of the details, not just about the search, but also about your pipelining, how your candidates move along, and how your outreach works. So you will be able to track all of the open responses and based on even templates, get the idea of how to make sure that in the future, your outreach is made even better. AmazingHiring, all in all, is a platform that comes together and sits on top of the funnel, helping you create an easy and seamless workflow between applicant tracking system, your outreach, and all of the sourcing platforms that you need if you're hiring for software engineers or data scientists, UX designers or testers, or anyone within the technical field.